Meaning of gamelan.
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 Gamelan. Gamelan is a type of traditional ensemble music found in Indonesia, typically featuring a variety of metallophones, xylophones, drums, and gongs. The instruments are often handmade and the compositions are passed down through generations. The music is known for its intricate rhythms and complex interlocking parts, creating a hypnotic and otherworldly sound. Gamelan is not limited to one specific culture or region within Indonesia and has been adapted and reinterpreted into various styles. It is an important part of Indonesian cultural heritage and continues to be performed in both traditional and contemporary contexts.